will AI take my job? In the future, AI won't take people's jobs, but people that know AI will take the jobs of people that don't. Some of you may have children. If you do, my advice is get them to learn to code because for the foreseeable future, people with a deep understanding of technology and AI will be able to use computers much more effectively, whatever job profession they end up doing. Beyond this technology trend, in the future, I think for a lot of these job roles, I will not hire a marketer that doesn't know how to code, and I will not hire a finance person that doesn't know how to get computers to do things for you. This is a good moment to prepare our workforces to learn AI and learn to code. It will make them much more productive. AI-assisted coding is incredibly helpful. If you don't know how to code at all, then trying to get AI to code for you will almost always hit a wall that you cannot break through, whereas people that know a little bit of coding will be able to break through and complete the task. AI-assisted coding gives experts a massive productivity boost and gives novices a slight productivity boost. But with AI-assisted coding, a little bit of knowledge now goes a long way. If I look at coding, I want to distinguish maybe 3 buckets. There's building quick and dirty software prototypes to test an idea. There is writing enterprise-grade software, and then there's maintaining legacy code bases. It turns out for the latter 2 buckets, writing enterprise-grade software and maintaining legacy code bases, AI makes, let's say, 30 to 50% more efficient. But the complete game changer is building quick and dirty prototypes just to test an idea, which for various technical reasons, I see not a 50% improvement, but more like a 10x improvement in productivity. And this means that a lot of individuals will be empowered to write those little apps to automate their own work. Because of the power of AI, one of the most important skills for the current generation of workers as well as for the next generation is the ability to get computers to do exactly what you want it to do. More and more types of job functions are able to use computers or AI. Some examples, a former journalist last week showed me code that he had written to scrape news feeds, to read RSS feeds, to highlight for him news articles that he should pay attention to. I have a finance person that puts together an app that monitors exchange rates in real time and sends her notifications so that she can better manage our global set of bank accounts with various different currencies. And these are examples of people that are not software engineers, but have learned enough about AI and how to program in order to use computers to enhance the job functions.